हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। As you guys can see by the title of today's video, drum rolls, Amazon haul. So we are finally going to do an Amazon haul. Oh my god, you guys, I have been torturing myself for like 2 months now because I have been collecting all these stuff for like 2 months and I just cannot wait to show you guys. Like, I'm so proud of myself because like these stuff are literally super hard to find and I actually find them on Amazon and they are like super versatile. They are like for YouTube. I also have a lot of stuff for storage, jewelry and also display. So I have a lot of storage things. Like, I literally ordered so many storage things, and these storage, like, these are makeup storage, earring storage, lipstick storage and also nail polish storage kind of stuff. So I'm like super excited. I have got them on literally Amazon and also some from DMart as well. These things are pretty staples, so I think you guys can find them too. So yeah, let me show you guys all the stuff that I got for my room decor and also for my studio kind of, because I'm also making this room into my studio. So these things are super amazing. They will let you store your makeup and also it can be used as a display piece, so it's just so amazing. Now let's go and let's see what are actually those things. So yeah, let's see. So first let me show you guys the makeup organizers come display stuff, which you guys can also display your makeup so that everyone can see that and store it in a very beautiful manner, and all of your makeup will be like in front of you, so you also will not get confused and will not just keep them in a drawer and just forget about them, because they are literally in front of you, so you are going to use it more often. So this is going to be super useful, and I have searched the Amazon for like the cheapest price. So if you guys go in the description below and check out this page, then you guys can get all these products in those categories and you guys will get literally the cheapest price available. So it is going to be super helpful, and if you guys go and shop from my link, then it will be very helpful for me as well, because I am going to get a really teeny tiny bit of commission. That's really not that much, like literally 2%. I don't think that's a lot as well, but yeah, it is going to be helping this channel. So make sure to check out the first link in the description, and from that you guys can go like on this category and just buy whatever you want in the same price. Now let's see the stuff. So first I bought this makeup organizer. I hope you guys can see that. Let me show you guys after opening it. So this is the acrylic holder. This thing, it can hold so many things, you guys can see that. But I'm so excited to set all of my makeup in this, because this looks so classy, and this will be like a very nice display piece. So I will be displaying all of them in my upcoming room, like kind of room decoration videos. So yeah, I will be showing you guys all of the products in that also, but I just wanted to do an Amazon haul for you guys first, so you guys can get excited for what's coming next. So this had a lot of storage for your makeup. So now let me show you guys the second one, which is, I actually bought 2 of them because I just have a lot of lipsticks to store. So this one, as you guys can see, is only for lipsticks. So I am also going to be doing a detailed review on all of these products in my second channel, which is Fantastic Diaries. So you guys can go and check out a detailed review on these ones. So in this video I'm just showing you, but if you guys want a detailed review on a specific product, like for example this, then I am going to be posting that on there on my second channel, Fantastic Diaries. So I ordered 2 of these, and then I have these kind of like everything holder. I use these for holding my nail polish, and this looks so good, you guys. Let me show you guys an example. So this is an example of how I stored my nail polishes in them. Like, can you see it has like three rows of nail polishes, and it can store a lot of nail polishes, and I have a lot, and I'm planning on buying a lot as well. So it will be like super useful to organize anything. You guys can even organize your stationery and just any random thing in it. It's just super customizable and super nicely stored. Like, this just needs this much of space, and you guys can store it super nicely. So I really like it. Now let's see the next product. The next thing is this mic. Like, this one I just like recently got it. So yeah, I will give a full review on this mic soon as well. So yeah, now let me just adjust it back. Now let's see the next product, which is these LED lights. Like, obviously, like every YouTuber and every TikToker in general has to have LED lights in their room, and I also like wanted to have LEDs from a long time. I had like fairy lights before, but I never got LED lights. So I finally got it, and you guys will see how these work in my, like, these works like amazingly, to be honest. This one works super nicely. I will give all the prices in the description so you guys can check it out, and also I'm going to use it in my room makeover, so you guys literally will love that video. I'm super sure, and I am literally like kind of dying to make my room super nicely, because I have been waiting for all of these things to arrive, and now all of them are finally here. So I'm super excited to decorate my room. So yeah, next product. So the next product is this sign, like light box. This light box, like I wanted to have this in my background from like a long time, and I also waited a lot of time because I know, like, I literally know that we are soon going to be moving, so I wanted to save it, and now I just finally bought it. You don't have to buy a lot of things to just decorate your room, but I have been controlling myself, and I don't usually get a lot of stuff for myself like this for decoration and stuff. So I just went out all and just literally, to be honest, thrown all of my money in. By the way, I bought each and everything from my money. I didn't waste anything, like any of my parents' money. I have been saving for it, and I finally got it. Next, I got this RGB LED light, like LED ring light, and I'm going to use it in the background of my videos, which you guys will probably see in the future. And yeah, so that was all. I also have like a lot of stuff still that I didn't show you guys because it is already kind of displayed, so I don't want to just remove it and then I have to set it again. So I'm like super lazy and I'm not going to set it again. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, fantastics, that was it. Okay, last thing, I forgot mirror. You guys can see this mini ESO mirror. I literally love this mirror, and I also never had a mirror on my desk before, and I literally wanted to get one, and this was literally the perfect mirror that I wanted. So yeah guys, that was it. I was like super excited to show you guys all of this stuff, so that's why this is not like a proper haul or anything like that, but I was just so excited to show you guys. So because of you guys, and only because of you guys, I'm able to afford all these stuff. I'm like super hyped to just make my room the way I always wanted, and also like give my boring room a makeover. And by the way, these curtains are also Amazon, but I already just hang them. So yeah, these ones are also from Amazon because I really like the purple white, and there is also another purple. I am super happy to share all of these things with you guys, because this is possible only because of you guys and because of your love and support. So thank you so much. You guys literally means the world to me. I love you guys so much. And also, if you guys have enjoyed this video and want me to make more these kinds of videos, then don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe. It will help me to reach more of you guys. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.